Good day everyone. Good day everyone. It's Clinton Malupa again here. Now, guys, here are the results again for the robot. Like I told you guys that I'm gonna grow this account from 10,000 rands to 100,000. So we are not yet in the target that we want to reach. As you can see, the equity is on 64,000, and we kept on holding these trades up until we reached our target. So stay up until the end of the video so that you can see everything from beginning to start. Now, as you can see, let me close some trades just to secure some profits. Let me close another one just to secure some profits, then another one again. Then another one again. Perhaps I should close all the trades and then I will add some trades when I see any changes in the market. Let me close all of them. Let me close this last one. Okay, we are going okay. Later that day, guys, I decided to take some trades on an opposite direction. As you can see, they were already in profits, so I didn't show you guys where I took these trades. But then the robot essentially gave me 2 trades. Then I decided to edit some few trades there to make them 12. As you can see, they were all in profits. So yeah, we kept on riding these trades up until we reached our target, and then we even surpassed our target. There is the take profit, as you can see. Yes,